Maria got an
Oh,
under desk
yeah,
elliptical
yeah,
machine,
yeah.
and I feel like we need to go test it out because I kind of want one. So.
How are you mechanically inclined? Because I'm not.
Oh, okay. So you do need to assemble it.
Yeah, unfortunately. It's an under the desk elliptical, so I can actually like get some exercise when I'm sitting at my desk all day. I was excited. There was only 7 steps.
Oh, we're supposed to use these
Well,
ones.
they said 2 long screws.
I
I don't
know.
consider those long screws.
I would agree with you. Affix the iron plate to the
Oh, yeah.
bottom. I assume that's this.
Yep.
To the bottom of the elliptical using black nuts, then tighten them using the flat spanner. What the hell is a black spanner?
I'm not happy you're frustrated, but I'm happy at the same
Oh, no,
time
yeah,
that it's not
like-
just me that is
yeah, no,
that
that's
inept.
cool. Assemble the left and right pedals using 4 remaining long screws and 4 nuts.
See, those are long screws. I told you they were long screws. Like you would think the arrows would be like facing the thing that way, but apparently your feet go this way. Like your body would be there and you'd be going this way.
Yeah, I guess.
Which is contrary to where the timer is and everything else, but you know.
Amazon review. Really annoying to assemble, and the timer is upside
Upside
down.
down.
But otherwise,